Can an employee get unemployment benefits under the Jones Act? I'm maritime attorney Tim Young. A lot of times our office is asked by our clients as well as possible clients, can I file for unemployment when I have a Jones Act claim? The answer to that question is a little bit tricky. The first thing you should understand is that generally when you apply for unemployment, you're representing that you can still physically do your old job. What this means is when you apply for unemployment, you're basically stating when you fill out your application that you are capable of doing the old position, the old job that you used to have. What you have to be careful about is if you're also filing a Jones Act claim, generally that's going to be for negligence because you've suffered a bad injury, and part of your Jones Act claim is usually that you have trouble doing your old job. Very often we see clients who file for unemployment during a Jones Act case in which we're representing them, and later on that's used against them by the company lawyer. The company lawyer will typically say, isn't it true that you represented when you filed for unemployment that you physically could do your job? Now the client doesn't understand a lot of that, and they feel like they're just asserting something they have a right to, which would be unemployment. You need to be very careful if you're going to try to apply for unemployment during a Jones Act case. If you're going to do that, read your documentation very carefully. Make sure that you're not stating anything in the application for unemployment that's contrary to something that you may be claiming in your Jones Act case. Call our office if you have any questions at all about the Jones Act, filing for unemployment under the Jones Act, or any other questions about your rights, choices, or options under maritime law or the Jones Act.